Hi everyone, it's Phil from Lost Weekends. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're at Preston Caravans and we're going to be doing a review of the Xplore 554. It's transverse island bed 4-berth. It's by Eldis and it's part of their entry-level range. So let's have a look at it and see what we think. Okay, so we're going to start off in the kitchen today, and as you can see here we have two overhead cupboards which are finished in a matte pale grey, and below that you have your window and you have your 3-burner hob. No electric plate on this one, and matching you have a square shaped sink and tap unit. Now with this one there's not a lot of workspace, as I just pull back there as you can see, and sadly there's no pop-up flap. However, it is compensated by the fact that we have the drop down flaps for the sink and also for the cooker. So below is the cutlery drawer, and directly below that is the Dometic fridge freezer. And in between the fridge freezer and the cooker you have 3 very handy drawers. So at the side of the drawers you have a single oven and a pan drawer below. So into the lounge we have the front single one-piece window, and above that you have 2 quite large generous front facing lockers. On the near side here you've got the 2 overhead lockers there, and also matching on the opposite side. The upholstery is a very pale cream, almost grey appearance. It's very comfortable and it's set off by these very retro coloured cushions and matching curtains. To make the bed up at night into a double you have your pull out slats. Just one more point I'd like to raise here. The lounge seating area, you couldn't sleep an adult on these unless you were quite short. They're more for children. Now just by the door is a very large overhead double cupboard with shelving in it, and a dresser unit which also houses the TV point, 2 sockets, 12 volt, and also an aerial point, so that's really good. Coming below you have a single drawer and a cupboard door which also has 2 shelves in. Now moving into the bedroom, there are 2 overhead cupboards, and below that is your bed and headboard. Now this model comes with 2 wardrobes. There's a narrow wardrobe to the left as you look at it, and it comes with 3 drawers. And here is your one to the right. This is much wider, sticks into the lounge area slightly, and again it comes with 3 drawers. Now one thing you don't see much in entry-level caravans is curtains in the bedroom, but here we are with the Xplore. We've got a nice set of matching curtains which match the fronts on a very nice chrome modern pole. Now being transverse in its bed size and shape, you also have a very generous understorage in this particular model. As you can see here they've put the step inside. That's quite a large step too. Just under the bed there is the outside locker hatch which allows you to get access into the under the bed space. Now the bed itself, the mattress is made of memory foam and it comes in 2 parts, and there's a flip over part as you can see here. once you extend the bed. Now I've tried this bed and I'm 5'10½" and I can sleep quite comfortably on it without my legs sticking over the edge, so I think that's quite a good plus point. So at the end of the bedroom you have your rear bathroom, so let's go and take a look. So as you can see, in the bathroom you have a Belfast style sink and a cupboard system below. The shower is fully lined and has a very small lip at the base so you can put your lotions and potions. It has a electric flush toilet, and above the loo you have another set of cupboards which are very handy for storing, and below the loo roll holder. Now this model comes with a sliding door, as you can see there, and also a light switch to light your bathroom. Now the bathroom itself only has a single skylight, which is quite large, and it's centred in the middle of the bathroom, so it allows steam to get out should you choose to have a shower. So just by the side of the door is your control panel for the caravan, and also the Whale heating system. Now this is quite unique. It's a blown air heating system by Whale, and they mount the heater below the caravan floor so that it allows you a lot more storage, so it's a really good feature, this. So there you have it. That's the Xplore 554 from Eldis. Now I like this caravan. I think it's very nice. I love the retro curtains and fabrics. I think they're very good. It's a nice touch. It harks back to the sort of 60s and 70s, which is pretty cool. I like the furnishings as well, even though they are a little bit pale for my taste. I still like them. They're very nice. I love the transverse island bed. It feels very comfortable, and there's plenty of storage in this. But the thing that I like the most is there are 7 230 volt sockets in this van. 7 for an entry-level caravan. I think that's really good. Well impressed with that. So the only issue I take with this caravan, I'll be honest with you, and it's only one thing that in my opinion lets it down, and that's the privacy screen. It pulls across, but it pulls right in front of the side of the bed. So whoever slept in that side of the bed and they want to get up for the loo, say, in the middle of the night, it impacts on how they get out of bed. So it's a little bit awkward, shall we say, and I'm sure it could have been redesigned slightly better. Maybe next year's model it might have improved. But that, in my opinion, is the only downside to this van. So let's have a look at the stats and prices. Well everybody, thank you very much for watching. We do appreciate you dropping by and seeing us. If you haven't already and you'd like to subscribe, please subscribe by clicking up there, or better still, check out our new videos which are here. And if you've already subscribed, hit the bell button and you'll get regular updates from us as and when we release our videos. So thank you very much, and we'll see you soon. Bye bye.